Ready? Bakit?
And back to the ball game, our ninth game of this day, featuring Las Vegas and Lucky Sun, both team undefeated on this
Undefeated ba yung dalawa?
on this day. This is going to be an exciting matchup. As Mendoza knocks down a three-pointer. Excuse me, that was Florendo who knocks down a three-pointer. First shot of the game. And on the other end, Lucky Sun. Sean Karen with the layup. Oh, there, that for three, that won't go. Rebound. And it will be a jump ball. Lucky Sun will take the ball back. .14 to shoot. And a steal by the Las Vegas, and lays it up and in is Salvatierra. Andre Salvatierra with his first points of the ball game. A three-pointer is no good. Offensive board by the Lucky Sun. Galarza. Another offensive rebound. And that ball got stolen away on that pass. Mendoza will get called for a travel. And a substitution for Las Vegas. Checking in for the first time into this ball game is Chandler Reyes. It's been a scoring machine on the last two games for Las Vegas. Great pass on the baseline. Touch it outside. And another loose ball. Turnover for Lucky Sun. Reyes on the wing. Florendo. Liao. Natawagan ng travel. Si Miggy Liao. Lefty layup is good para kay Sean Karin. Salvatierra. Ball is loose. Salvatierra pinasa sa wing. Floater, that won't go para kay Mendoza. Rebound na naman ng Laksa Nazarete at 3. And Holger got fouled following that rebound. Substitution para sa Lucky Sun. Enzo Martinez subbing in for the first time. Jesiah Holder. First shot is good. Liao. Atake, pinasa sa corner. At natawagan dito si Reyes ng 3 seconds. Full court pressure ang ina-apply ng Las Vegas dito. Great pass! Counted! And a foul! Para kay Gabe Navarrete. Just for a 3-point play. A substitution naman. Cruz subbing in para sa Las Vegas. Ngayon lang pumasok yan. Ball shot is good para kay Navarrete. The floater is good para kay Salvatera. Clarin. Martinez susubok sa 3. Sablay ang unang tira. The follow is good para kay Clarin. Reyes masyadong malakas. Substitution naman para sa Lakisan. Kanjongno at si Batan subbing in for the first time into this ball game. Lakisan with a 3-point lead. Great defense para sa Las Vegas. Cruz. Floater, that won't go. Rebound ng Lakisan. Is Holder. Shot is no good. Reyes with the rebound. Substitution para sa Las Vegas. Espiritu. Multiple misses para sa Las Vegas. Navarrete. Drop pass. Wide open shot. Is good. 2-pointer is good. By Kanjongno. And a follow is good para sa Las Vegas. Balik sa 3 ang kalamangan ng Lakisan. Cruz with the rebound on that block. Reyes, that jumper is good. Isa na lang ang kalamangan ng Lakisan. Almost a steal para sa Las Vegas. Drop pass, counted, and one again. Bathan with a chance for a 3-point play. Substitution, Mendoza. Babalik sa hard court. And that's a lane violation para sa Lakisan. Here's Cruz, sasalaksak. Yes, he got fouled. Cruz will shoot 2 free throws. Easy 2 points para kay Batan. Para sa Lucky Sun. Espiritu. Rebound Mendoza. Stolen away. Ball is still loose. And that is a foul. Called against Las Vegas. Mendoza. That will be Mendoza's third. No correction, that is Mendoza's first. That's just his first foul. Here comes. The shot is no good for Salvatierra. Rebound by Lacasas. Here's Navarrete. Navarrete. Down will go. Rebound. Is loose. Last touch. Last touch ng Lucky Sun. Samson. Subbing in para sa Lucky Sun. Reyes. Nagdadala ng bola. Setting the play out the corner. 3. Down will go. Rebound ng Lucky Sun. Steal para kay Salvatierra. Salvatierra. Hesi. And he got called. He got fouled. Substitution. Para sa both teams, De Jesus para sa Lucky Sun, Liao sa Las Vegas. Another foul called. Seven minutes to go dito sa first half. Lucky Sun with a 7-point lead, 18-11. The shot, two-pointer is no good para kay Salvatierra. Rebound ng Lucky Sun. 2 points is no good on that shot. Offensive rebound ng Lucky Sun. Here's Clarin. Corner, back to Clarin. Clarin fakes. And a 3 seconds violation ang tinawag. Timeout naman ang Las Vegas with 6 minutes and 25 seconds in the first half.
Mendoza.
Isa lang, coach. Isa lang.
Coach.
Ilan na ba yung 12?
Dalawa.
Ah, dalawa?
Ilan?
Dalawa daw. Coach!
Coach! Coach! Oy!
Clarin in trouble. Got stolen away by Las Vegas. Reyes, great pass. Too strong on that shot. Offensive rebound ng Las Vegas. The floater is good. Para kay Andres Salvatierra. Tatlo na lang ang hilahabol ng Las Vegas. Titira sa tres, De Jesus. And And another foul called against the Las Vegas.
Personal foul number 1.
Substitution para sa Lakisan, Castañeda. Kael Castañeda sabing bakin. Para sa Lakisan, 4 ang kalamangan ng Lakisan. Ito si Mendoza. And there's a foul. Ang tinawag sa Las Vegas, that will be on Salvatierra. That will be his second. Reyes with the steal. Reyes! Lefty layup is good. Dalawa na lang hinahabol muli ng Las Vegas. Jesus, supalpal. Here comes Las Vegas. And Melo Mendoza ties the game. Samson. Another miss para sa Lakisan. Ball is loose. And a foul. Andre Salvatierra. That will be his third. Tie ball game as we approach the 2 minutes of this first half. Ito si Cruz. Bank shot is good para kay Cruz.
Remaining time, 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Castañeda misses that shot. Cruz with the rebound. Here goes Mendoza. Mendoza, drop pass. Hindi nakita ng kakampi. Turnover ng Las Vegas. Larin. Sasalaksa. Great drop pass. Too strong on that shot. Offensive rebound. And a foul. Foul na naman para kay Mendoza.
Coach! Coach, 12 mo ha. Tatlo.
Hello Mendoza. That will be his third.
Hindi, dalawa yung kanina. Tatlo na yan. Checking tayo eh. Wala lang ba? Marami ng foul yun.
1 of 2 para kay Clarin. 35 seconds to go.
30 seconds.
Reyes. Loose ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Substitution para sa Lakisan. Alcantara babalik. 9 seconds to
Shot
shoot.
clock 9. 10 seconds.
5
Five.
seconds. Mendoza. A 3 is no good, and that ends the first half. Las Vegas with a 1-point lead. 21-20.
After the ball, please.
Back to the ball game. Start ng ating second half. Las Vegas with a 1-point lead. Salvatierra. First shot of the second half is no good. On the other end is Navarrete. Great pass by Clarin. And lace it up and in. There is Andre Salvatierra. It's Clarin, goes coast to coast. Layup is no good. And he is
Foul
fouled.
number 12.
Good.
Fourth personal foul number 12. Fourth foul. Substitution.
Melo Mendoza, that will be his fourth foul, as he will be benched for a while. Salvatierra. Sasalaksak. Salvatierra. Left hand is good. Counted and a foul. A chance for a 3-point play para kay Andre Salvatierra. Las Vegas now with a 3-point lead. Alcantara, that won't go on that 3. Liao got blocked by Navarrete. Back shot is good. Counted and a foul para kay Clarin. Foul dito para kay Reyes. Noriel Sanchez subbing in para sa Las Vegas.
Natawagan po. Kamag-anakan.
Salvatierra. Asalaksak. Fakes. Got blocked. Holder. 2-point. That won't go. Offensive board. Another offensive rebound. And Navarrete puts the lucky son Back up by 1, 27-26. Too strong on that shot. Navarrete is ahead. Layup is good. Three-point lead para sa Lakisan. For 2 points para kay Andre Salvatierra.
29-28.
Isa na lang ang hinahabol ng Las Vegas. Holder. On the wing, Navarrete. 10 to shoot. Navarrete will try. That won't go.
Wow. Para English hindi pwede Tagalog.
Women's time 15.
Substitution para sa both teams. Bathan and
Good call by the referee. Apro.
29-28. Lakisan leading by 1. It's Navarrete. Shot is no good. Eto na naman si Salvatierra. That won't go. Salvatierra hustling on that defense. Reyes. Las Vegas now up by 1. Holder gets it to go. Here comes Cruz with the ball. Salvatierra. Andre kick out to Reyes. Reyes. And that one is good para kay Reyes.
Yes, tol.
Oo. Holder out the corner and that goes out of bounds. Pass was too strong. And Lakisan turns it over. Salvatierra setting the play. Espiritu the screen. Salvatierra will try. That won't go. Holder. Back to Holder. Will try a 3. Offensive rebound. And carried and one. Why Navarrete? Pumupuntang gitna. Dito rin sa MBBL puta. Hanapin mo kung sino tumawag ng foul eh.
Doon sa area nila. Doon sa area nila.
Ano, ginanong ko pa naman yung referee. Sabi ko, rep, yung sa mga referee kasi na nakasanayan ko. Pag magre-report sila ng foul, nakapunta sila ng gitna. Nanibago lang ako sa inyo kasi nandun na kayo sa area nyo pag nagre-report.
Hanapin nila. Andun yung kalbo yung kalbong referee, yung dalawa.
Madaming kalbong referee.
Yung makinis yung ulo.
Si Derek Kalbo.
Ngayon sa TV. Makinis yung ulo.
Lalo madaming kalbong referee sa TV. And another foul para sa Las Vegas. Bathan will shoot 2 free throws.
Tama, ano rep? 35-32. Babaguhin.
Baguhin para may magreklamo.
Babaguhin na. Masok. Minuto lang. Pwede na baguhin.
Substitution, Reyes.
36-32.
Reyes ating back in.
Introduce na product din yan, Jel.
Ano na?
Sa water. Pag pinito ko
Sabihin niya. Liga ng bawat batang Pilipinas. Ang sportsmanlike foul ang tinawag dito sa Lakisan. That will be against Nathan Bathan.
3 minutes kulog. 3 minutes kulog. 3 minutes kulog.
Stop yan pag hands po.
Pull down.
Stop yan pag hands po.
One down. Substitution.
Pull down, hindi resurrect.
Maganda resurrect.
Ha?
Maganda pag ano
5
resurrect.
seconds.
Gago.
Gago eh. no?
Pull off. Resurrect kayo, no? Ano yan, namatay?
C1 lang, C1. Oo. Babalik siya ng 7:05. Laro dito sa likod eh.
Pag C2, Apple.
Away. C1 lang yun ha, pare ha.
Pag gano'n, pag nag-criteria to, ano yan? Tapon.
Paano yun pa nag-playground man? Ganun din.
Ganun na yun. Criteria nga.
Ano kanina yun, tsaka playground man, isa lang yun. Report yun eh.
Dribbling violation ang matatawag natin officials. Turnover na naman para sa Las Vegas. As we have reached 9.5 to go here in the second. Holder out the wing, a 3-pointer way off. Foul na naman ang tinawag ng ating officials against Las Vegas. That will be on Liao.
Time 9 minutes 5 seconds. 36-33.
Shot no good. The follow is good. Bathan with the follow. 5-point game para sa Lakisan. Reyes. Salvatierra with the ball. Salaksak, floater, that won't go. Rebound niya na naman. Pass it outside, long 3-pointer, that won't go para kay Florendo. Holder pushing, lefty layup is good.
Score 40-33. Lakisan winning by 8 minutes 5 seconds.
Cruz, too strong on that shot. Liao the rebound. Liao puts it up, that won't go. Rebound ng Lakisan. Holder, long 3-pointer. Rebound, Liao. Here's Reyes. Reyes gets it back, fakes, and he got blocked. Holder goes coast to coast. The layup once again will not go. A floater, just miss after miss. para sa both teams natin dito. Another miss. Shot by Martinez, another miss. And there's a foul called against Lucky Sun. Substitution para sa Clarin. Clarin and Galarza for Lucky Sun. Bueno, subbing back in para sa Las Vegas.
6 minutes 40 seconds.
Reyes, susubok sa 3.
Out of bounds. Substitution.
Substitution naman. Mendoza. Muling magbabalik sa hardcourt. After being benched by 18 minutes in the second half, I believe. At ngayon, kakabalik niya lang. Kasi he got 4 fouls. Here goes Mendoza. That layup won't go. Bueno with the rebound. Back to Mendoza. One sit back. And the floater is good para kay Melo Mendoza. Balik sa 5 ang hinahabol ng Las Vegas. And 3 seconds violation ang tinawag against sa Lucky Sun. Samson at De Jesus sabing back in para sa Lucky Suns. Salvatierra. Pass outside to Mendoza. Back to him. That's a 3. Rebound by Reyes. And it's good. Balik na naman sa 3 ang hinahabol ng Las Vegas. Offensive foul ang tinawag dito against Clarin. Ha?
What? 24? 24, number 2.
Follow naman kay number 2, Sean Clarin.
Kilala niya yan? Nakakachip mo, hindi na agad. Steal!
Jesus all alone on that shot. Easy 2 points. 6. Balik sa 5 ang kalamangan ng Lucky Sun. Mendoza. Pass deflected. Sanchez with the recover. And that's a 3 seconds violation. Ang tinawag kay Reyes. Reyes fakes. Got deflected away and a steal para sa Lucky Sun. Two points. Easy basket para kay De Jesus. Mendoza. That one won't go para kay Mendoza. Holder. Corner. Reyes. And an easy 2 points para kay Salvatierra. Baliktad yan, baliktad.
Score! Baliktad yan.
Baliktad yan. 39.
39 42. 41.
41.
Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes na lang. At ang Lucky Sun na ibaba sa isang kalamangan ng Lucky Sun. A chance to lead para sa Las Vegas. Ito si Mendoza. Sablay ang layup. Karin. And that one is good.
Well, 44 na.
44
44. Score.
44
Yes.
1 minute 28 seconds. 1 minute.
Tatlo ang kalamangan ng Lucky Sun. 44-41.
Tama ang score natin. Tama po.
One possession game.
20 seconds.
2-pointer is no good. Holder with the rebound. Holder nagmamadali. Holder. Blocked away by Liao.
10 seconds.
Mendoza. Floater is no good.
1 minute. Out of bounds. 58 seconds. 58 seconds.
58 seconds to go into this second half. Final half of the ball game.
50 seconds.
Karin. That layup is no good. Rebound by Batan. That won't go. Fight for the rebound. Karin with
40
it.
seconds.
Karin loses it.
35
And a
seconds.
turnover by Lucky Sun and a foul.
Ball number 13. Remaining time 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Substitution.
30 seconds to go into this regulation.
30 seconds.
18 seconds on the shot clock. Tatlo lang ang hinahabol ng Las Vegas. A 3 could tie it. Here's Mendoza, 2-pointer. Fight for the
20
rebound.
seconds.
That is a kick ball.
19 seconds. 19.
Time out.
Time out. Lucky Sun.
8. Penalty daw, 8.
19 seconds. Remaining time 19 seconds. Lock to the ball game.
Ayaw kasi mamasa ng dos eh.
Meron kasi agad yung mga ano nga. Mga bigman niya.
14 seconds to go into this regulation.
40.
Tatlo lamang ang hinahabol ng Las Vegas.
15 seconds.
A drive, no good on that shot. Rebound ka rin. Steal by Las Vegas.
2 points.
And a 2-pointer is good. Para kay Florendo. 5 seconds to go.
1 second.
And they will foul.
3 seconds.
3 seconds to go.
Wala pa. 6 pa lang.
Only a 16 foul. One second to go. Warning for penalty pa lang ang Las Vegas.
Warning for penalty. 1 second.
1 second na lang. One second na lang ang natitira. And that ends the ball game. Lucky Sun survives 44 to 43.